Yeah.
What was the variety in lunch?
आपको कॉल ना वैरायटी क्या है नॉर्मल ऐसा वैरायटी कुछ नहीं होती आपसे बात करने से पहले मैं स्टडी कर रही थी तभी भी मैं तभी तो टाइम निकालना ही है इवनिंग को या आफ्टरनून को तो अभी मैंने टाइम निकाला और आपसे बात
हाँ, so hi, very good afternoon.
रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू की है
या रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू है.
लिटिल बिट आई एम scared okay
Don't hesitate, we are learning right now. Just speak confidently. I'm very excited to talk to you right now. So first of all, introduce yourself in brief.
fine brief
Wait a second. Wait.
can you hear me
Yeah, I can hear you. Hi Surashri, a very good afternoon.
good afternoon
Yeah, so I'm just introducing myself. My name is Danish and I hail from Kolkata, West Bengal, India. I've done BCom Accountancy Honors from Calcutta University. So just introduce yourself in brief.
my name is Srishti. I'm a computer engineer student first year BTech in last year.
Okay,
I'm from Maharashtra. My hobby is the dancing,
okay,
acting. I love teaching field, RJP, and I love the kabaddi.
okay,
And whenever I free, then I will
okay.
try to dance.
Okay, I'm very happy your valuable time. I want to tell to my YouTube family just this is Srishti. We want she wants to open a YouTube channel in future, right? So just subscribe to the Srishti in future. Okay. I mean, we always talk with the friends and family members over the phone call. So yeah, we are trying to talk with the peoples in face to face. It means help us to get more confidence while talking video call. Yeah, that's why I'm just trying to upload the all conversation videos on my YouTube platforms. What is your today's plan? I'm not getting a specific points to discuss, so my mind is like this is my third conversations with the uh, people, so I'm just hesitating little bit.
You are from the okay from the education platform. Okay,
Okay,
you are the different field, and I also different field.
okay.
So
After all conversation, I will upload this conversation video on my YouTube platform. So you are comfortable to
the
upload?
conversation.
Yes.
I'm very comfortable because you are all for me a stranger. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Whatever.
Okay.
Uh,
So
First thing, I'm not worried about the others. Okay.
okay.
I'm thinking about the only my career, only my goals.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Because society are always the thinking about you yourself. Okay. Always. Okay. कभी भी सोसाइटी हमेशा ही पूरा होती है पीछे तो हमेशा सोसाइटी का सोच रख के हम आगे तो नहीं बढ़ सकते ना
हाँ, right,
so
right.
I'm always thinking about myself okay and my family
बहुत सारे लोग सोचते हैं कि कन्वर्सेशन नहीं करेंगे, मतलब थोड़ा सा साय फील हो रहा है, हेजिटेशन फील हो रहा है, और पब्लिक क्या कहेगी, फैमिली वाले क्या कहेंगे, मतलब बात कर रहे हैं, और हाँ, मतलब नेगेटिव थिंकिंग वो सोचने लगते हैं.
yes in my college right now is college is offline okay I think lockdown is beneficial for me because I learn more things like English and like technical
Yeah.
skill also I analyze myself in a lockdown
Yeah, one
okay
yeah, one
so
thing is that
every time
we get huge time at home in this pandemic, in this COVID situation, in this crisis.
yeah and life you have faced any bad situation okay okay and then I am trying to that situation uh, my point of view okay I'm trying to view that situation is positive point of view
Okay.
okay whenever in my life is bad things is happens then I am trying to that things is a positive okay
Okay.
view so I think in the lockdown I learned more and more things and I analyze myself and I also improve my communication skill technical skill and the more and more
Yeah, Suristi, just tell me more about your life. Like, how is your life going on? And because just pick a topic, then we will discuss. Because I'm not getting a specific points to discuss right now.
So sorry. I'm always smiling. Okay.
Okay, no issue, no issue. I'm just
Yeah. Mm.
your smiling is showing like you are positivity and you are confidently and talk.
It's genetic.
Yeah, yeah.
My smiling is genetic because my mother also always smiling, and I also smiling. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, right.
Nowadays, is nothing in happen in my life because I attend the online lectures and offline lectures.
Mm-hmm.
I only focus on my goal nowadays, but I will trying to every day. I enjoy myself. Okay, I'm always trying.
Yeah, because life is too short. Keep engaged with the family members, with friends, and just to go to the new places like Manali, like Dubai, like because after traveling we get lot of information about the places, about the cultural, and how is how is people is living, and so
Yeah,
yeah,
tradition.
yeah.
Yeah.
So after visiting we feel like cool and our mind get refreshed. So always we should try to try to visit new destinations, new places for knowledge and for yeah, for experienced.
Then tell me about your experience as a YouTuber. You
Yeah,
now you are a YouTuber, and I want to in future a YouTuber. So any guidelines for me?
yeah. So first of all, I'm very excited to answer these questions. I'm very excited to express my YouTube journey. Like, so I when I was in a college third year, so I decided to start my YouTube channel. In the beginning, I was uploading the yoga's videos, like how to do tripod headstands, how to do Surya Namaskara. So my journey was started from this content. Slowly, I got 2000 skills views in 1 week. So I decided, yeah, this is a very funny platform, a very like growing platform. I can do like something here. I can earn money after uploading the videos, because also traveling is one of my passion. I can't speak this type of activities. Either we are earning or not. Traveling is my passion, so I decided to just keep continue uploading the videos. And also my elder brother is very supportive, always support me in every situations. I'm thinking like girls not prefer to talk with the boy. You are very like smart girls, like you are ready to talk with enormous people. It's a very challenging things you have done.
I think it's my strength. It's my strengthness. Okay, I'm always confident about me. Okay, and
Okay.
I'm not worried about the other person.
Yeah, yeah, I
And
like.
whenever in my mind anything is happen in my mind anything, then I will always try, and I would always do that thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
I like your sound really. Suppose after uploading this video, our conversation went viral on YouTube platform. What you will like sad with your family members if your family members watch these videos in future? So what was your reaction? What do you think?
That time I getting a job. Whenever this video is viral,
Okay. Suppose suppose like videos went viral on social media. I'm HR, I'm just hiring you. So I'm just asking you, I'm just like popular leader or popular star. I'm just asking you. So Suristi, just in which company you wanted to join? So what will your answer?
course, I'm from the IT background. So I want to, in future I get a job in IT company with
Like
good package. Okay.
the IT company,
So
like
nowadays
IT company like
uh,
TCS
like
or
Infosys, Wipro. Hello guys. Anyone who want to learn English, okay, then please guys join Danish brother on the social media or email ID. Okay, finish on the messages or the on calling. Okay.
Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you, Srishti. Bye bye.